Hey, so we're here with the Petrolbox. Jen got it for me. If I came in, it was supposed to come in for Christmas, but it didn't. Let's see. All I did so far was just cut this little sticker, so let's see what's in it. So there's a Petrolbox, and what other boxes is there, Jen?
There's a few different ones. One I signed you up for to try was this one and the tuner crate.
So I'm gonna put this to the side. You still see it. Ooh, the Christmas one. Obviously,
It's technically a New Year's one now.
Yep. So put that
Christmas
away.
tide, yay for being Catholic.
I like how they do this. Like, you see it in videos, and it's really not the same. So,
Jog's glass cleaner actually needs some layout.
yeah, that's... Apparently this stuff's really good. I've never heard of it. Jack's Cleaner is safe for all glass, including tinted windows, navigation screens, as well as any automotive or home glass. This truly streak-free formula will easily clean your glass and leave you with exceptionally clean, clear glass. Directions. Yeah, we all know how to do that.
I hope so.
You get one of these cool things, you know? Hey, yeah. That's the best part of the whole thing is this right here. Yeah.
I like the fact that they actually have it separate because a lot of places when you buy it, it's all together and things leak and...
That's actually not cheap at all. Like, there's a good resistance on it, which is weird because it's just a nozzle. Try it out. Like, try that nozzle, Jen.
Try and do it with one hand. Actually, that's really nice.
That's really high quality.
I'm going to keep that when we're done.
Oh, yeah. Well, we're not going to go through a whole bottle.
You never know. Might go on a cleaning frenzy. What is that?
I'm going to say it's a cleaning cloth. Wow, that feels weird.
Very.
I like it.
But it's not microfiber. It's grippy on one side and smooth on the other.
Oh, look at that. A little fuzzy. Okay, it doesn't work. Yeah,
Fuzzy was a bear.
That is really nice.
I think it's the glass cloth.
It could be. I like it. We're like, ooh, on a cloth.
Hey, it's really hard finding a good cloth.
And this could be one of them.
Yep.
It's a nice color because it matches our interior.
Mm-hmm. Black.
Black.
Like my soul.
Yep. So that's kind of cool. I like that.
What is that? That's got my attention.
United League Company motor.
That's really nice.
The authentic snapback. Yupong since 1974.
So it's probably going to be punked by me because I love my trucker caps.
Yep. You know what I don't like about this?
What?
It's as nice as the Petrolbox is. This to me feels cheap because there's no brand, there's no nothing on it. It's
the classics.
Yeah. So to me, it looks like it's just a brand hat, which is the classics, and they just put a patch on it.
Mm-hmm.
Either way, it's still a really nice hat.
You really like your Patriots hats, though, right?
Oh, I do.
Those 55 ones or whatever.
Yeah. Here's one of those stickers.
So this pink, and I have it.
It's gonna be a Porsche. Yes, you can. Pretty sure this is their Porsche. I don't remember the number. I think it's like 953 or something. It's one of their race cars. We'll check it later and put it in the. We'll put in the whatchamacallit, the
description when we find it.
Yeah. Oh, sweet magnet. This is one of the subscribers of the month, Sean Butt, December 2019. It looks like a Toyota MR2. I'm probably 100% wrong, but that's exactly what it looks like. Look at that. But it's something cool for the petrol heads. For the gearhead guys, it's magnet. You put it on your fridge. And as always, you get the
Air freshener.
Petrolbox, because that's what petrol is, right? So. I hope you enjoy your hat and tea from the United Motor League and Petrol Burn apparel or Bum apparel. Burn? All right. There's a code we can use for February 21st. All right,
nice.
Everybody probably got that already, which is good. All right, so first glance, what's up with all these little things in there? Like, look at that. Like, yeah, like that's.
Because you need to hold it all together. Just tie it all in.
Feels like a good material. It doesn't feel like those Walmart or Giant Tiger.
That's really soft cotton.
Yeah, good thing it's cotton. The elastic is not too bad. You know, it's nice rubbery elastic.
I'm keeping that so I can shoot it at you later.
Yeah. So, what size am I, Jan?
Extra large.
United Motor League Company.
And it's on the back, which you prefer.
Oh, yeah.
What's on the front?
I don't know, Fort Lauderdale. And it's just...
It's definitely you that way, because you like your logos on the back and not the front.
Yeah, and all this just logo right there. Another good thing about these t-shirts, a lot of people have been doing is there's no tags.
Mm-hmm.
So that stuff doesn't bother you back your neck. And it's an extra large because that's what I wear. But yeah, that's really, really nice. I like that. Am I going to wear it? Probably not. I'm one of those people. So yeah, I like that a lot. So we have the t-shirt, the magnet, the petrol box,
Mm-hmm.
air freshener, the sticker, the hat, the cloth, and the bottle of glass
Jack's
cleaner.
Wax glass cleaner, yep.
So jackswax.com, American company, 16 ounces. I don't know what it smells like. Probably tells you something. We
Are we
don't
just gonna be
smell
like
it.
huffing Windex? Oh, look, they sealed it. It's childproof.
Idiot proof. It's me proof. Apparently it is. Knife. Knife right there. So Jen, how many more of these am I expected?
At least 2 more.
So this is a Petrolbox, right?
Mm-hmm. Tuna crate, I have no idea what's going on with that one. I emailed them, and then the next day I got a shipping label, but the shipping label seems to go nowhere.
It smells kind of weird.
It smells like vodka.
Smells like vodka. I like it. That's how you assemble the bottle, by the way, in case you didn't know. There you go. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice high quality glossy sticker, I'd say. And yeah, it's very, very nice. It's a car on it. It could be a Cobra. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's it. So that's what we are. So now we have another video where we're gonna have to use it, see on how to clean glass, how good it is with the fiber cloth and stuff.
Compare it to the Auto Windex.
Yeah, the Canadian Tire brand, the Walmart brand. That's what we should do.
Okay.
All right. So there you go. So that is our Petrolbox for Christmas. The Rag Company glass towel. That's what it is.
Yeah, I was
the
right.
Rag Company glass towel. Unique diamond scale pattern produces an effectively smooth gliding performance to easily tackle all your dusty, dirty, grimy glass and window needs. The snakeskin-like texture design combines the best features of popular microfiber waffle weaves and smooth herringbone weave glass towel without any of the dry drag friction that some smooth finished glass towels can produce.
Try saying that
Yeah.
10 times fast.
Does it show English now? Am I really like my first language?
Sometimes.
Yeah. All right, cool. So, like always, this is us again, like always. Yeah. You have anything to say? Do you like it?
I think it's pretty cool.
What do you think of the
next month
quality
is.
of everything?
Actually looks pretty decent, especially the t-shirt.
Yeah. And if you don't wear the hat, I'm just gonna hang it on the wall. So yeah.
I'll probably wear the hat.
Okay. Okay, that's it. We're gonna stop talking. Just stop dragging it out. I like it.
All
We'll
right.
see what the next crate is. Bye.